Waking up from my drenched pillow, was it right to leave that cozy blanket and be exposed to this unexplored world? Not surprised when the storm comes, not surprised when the rain hits my skin. Through the cracked paths as I stroll, puddles splashed on my face as I fall. In the blink of an eye, I sigh and said, I've stepped over the threshold, never to look back. Wish I could tear some pages of my life, pages that speak dirt, pages that speak shame, pages I scribble, pages I didn't allow even light to enter. My bedroom became my altar. I've got only a fresh page to offer to the author and the finisher.